Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharma Patashala. So today in this video we are going to learn about proof spirit with calculation. So let's start with the definition. So the definition is proof spirit is defined as a mixture of absolute alcohol and water which has 57.1% volume by volume ethyl alcohol. So first, before understanding the definition, you need to understand absolute alcohol. What is absolute alcohol? So absolute alcohol is ethyl alcohol containing not less than 99.5% volume by volume of ethanol. Means basically ethyl alcohol in a simple term 99.5% pure alcohol. It does not contain any kind of water. So when such alcohol, that is absolute alcohol, is diluted with water until the concentration becomes 57.1% volume by volume, that solution is called proof spirit. So in simple word, when 99.5% absolute alcohol plus water, when it is diluted until 57.1% volume by volume, the solution is called proof spirit. So what does 57.1% volume by volume mean? So it means like, for example, if 100 ml of solution is there, proof spirit solution is there 100 ml. So in that 57.1 ml is pure ethanol and remaining 42.9 ml is water. So such solution, the such concentration is called 57.1% volume by volume because it contains 57.1 ml of pure ethanol. Why we will dilute till 57.1%? Because historically this was a fixed as a standard strength to compare all alcohol. So that's why we will dilute until the concentration becomes 57.1%. So till now you have understood about proof spirit. Now you need to understand what is the meaning of overproof and underproof. First understand overproof. As the name indicate, over. Over means something extra and underproof. Under means something below. So overproof means if alcohol strength is more than 57.1% volume by volume, it is called overproof. If the strength is less than 57.1% volume by volume, it is called underproof. So when do we get this? So why overproof, underproof is required? So when alcohol is manufactured, so during manufacturing of alcohol and during alcohol strength testing, so comparing the strength of alcohol with 57.1%, so during that overproof and underproof is required. In pharmacy calculation, during calculation, whether we obtained answer is overproof or underproof. In exercise calculation, in exams when they give any different calculation where you need to know about overproof and underproof. So in that situation, knowledge about overproof and underproof is very important. Now let's see the calculation part. Problem number 1. Find the proof strength of 75% volume by volume alcohol. Here we need to find out whether it is underproof or overproof. So step 1 will be understand what is given. We need to understand whether the concentration is overproof or underproof. So first you need to write alcohol strength. How much alcohol strength they have given. That is 75% volume by volume. Then the standard concentration, that is 57.1% volume by volume. Here we need to compare, like 75% is more than 57.1%. So as we already know, it will be overproof. So first you need to identify whether it is overproof or underproof. So it is overproof. According to that, we will calculate the further part. So step 2, write the formula. The formula is proof is equal to percent into 1.753 minus 100. Here in place of percent, you need to write what the percent they have given, that is 75. So after calculating everything, you will get 31.475. Getting the value, need to interpret the sign. So the answer is positive. So positive means overproof. Finally, it means 75% alcohol is 31.48 degrees stronger than proof spirit. That is 57.1% proof spirit. It is 31.48 degrees stronger. Problem number 2. Find the proof strength of 40% volume by volume alcohol. Similar to problem number 1, first you need to understand whether it is under proof or over proof. So in the question only you came to know that 40% volume by volume, which is less than 57.1%. So it means it will be under proof. After identifying the under proof, step 2 will be write the formula and calculate. So proof is equal to percent into 1.753 minus 100. So after calculation, you will get minus 29.88. As I mentioned in the problem number 1, if the answer is in positive, it means it confirms over proof. So but here the answer is negative, which confirms the under proof. Finally, it means 40% alcohol is 29.88 degree weaker than proof spirit. But in case of problem 1, it is stronger than proof spirit if the answer is positive. But here, since it is negative, it is 29.88% degree weaker. So here completes the complete information about the calculation involving proof spirit. In upcoming video, we will learn about isotonic solution. So before that, I will give list of practice questions. You need to solve by yourself and comment the answer in the comment section. So number 1, find the proof strength of 82% volume by volume alcohol. Number 2, convert 25 degree under proof into percentage strength. Number 3, find the proof strength of 48% volume by volume alcohol. Number 4, convert 60% over proof into percent volume by volume alcohol. Number 5, an alcohol sample is labeled 100 proof. What is its percentage strength? So finally, thanks for watching.